In 2014, Americans spent 6.9 billion hours trapped in traffic. During traffic jams, the average commuter used an extra 19 gallons of gas. This amounts to $160 billion in lost time and fuel each year. Long lines at traffic signals might be a thing of the past. Thanks to researchers' new artificial intelligence technology, the first-of-its-kind system scans live video footage and adjusts the lights to compensate, keeping traffic moving and decreasing congestion. The method utilizes deep reinforcement learning, in which software recognizes when it is not doing well and attempts a new approach, or continues to improve when it is making progress. The system surpassed all other approaches in testing, which often depend on manually designed phase transitions. The researchers built a state-of-the-art photorealistic traffic simulator, Traffic 3D, to train their program, teaching it to handle different traffic and weather scenarios. When the system was tested on a real junction, it subsequently adapted to real traffic intersections despite being trained entirely on simulations. It could therefore be effective in many real-world settings. The researchers hope to begin testing their system on real roads this year.